This is our day 6 of walking around the island of Luzon. Now we're leaving Dagupan and we're heading to San Fabian. This is the start of our leg 2, which is reaching Bagiuo City. So it's so obvious that Dagupan is the bangus capital of the Philippines. You can see it from the arc. Right, people, we just left Dagupan City and now we are entering Mangaldan. This is the center of Mangaldan. Golden Success Hotel. A very successful hotel that. Right, people, this is us leaving Mangaldan. So, remember when I told you we're going to Baguio? It's actually part of our leg 2. And we are actually staring at Baguio right now.
And
the
you
mountain.
can't see it. It's in the fucking clouds.
Yeah. It's kind of funny. It's kind of weird. Like your upcoming challenges, like staring back at you. This is how it feels like. Anyway, we're going to McDonald's, so I can't believe we're climbing that thing. Baguio. Shit. It's quite terrifying and exciting, isn't it? So yeah, that's the ocean, and we're heading there for our night sleepover. This is San Fabian. We have 5.8 kilometers left before reaching the beach in Bolasi, San Fabian, Pangasinan. This road that we are taking right now is heading to the beach, and there, sorry, we're going to look for a potential place to stay for a night. We finally reached the beach, and now the last challenge is to look for a place to potentially camp. Hopefully one of the resorts around here will let us. Right, this is Bolasi and San Fabian, Pangasinan. We're just walking around here, trying one of the resorts that let us in for a night. Hopefully. So right, yeah, just chilling here on the beach in Bolasi Beach in San Fabian, Pangasinan. We found this room, and that's our stuff that we are trying to try up. And yeah, we got this room beach view for like a little bit discount. I wouldn't call it like a really good bargain or deal. It's still quite a bit, but let's say let's say we have a view, you know, and it's quite peaceful and stuff like that. So I think that's the positive side of it. Yeah, to tell you the price, it's 1,500 for two of us. Jeez. Yeah, alright. And tomorrow our plan is to walk to Rosario in La Union. That's like 17k. Yeah.